So the story started here in this room. It's pretty incredible to think we were in here before we started the company. We're in here mapping out how it might work. There was 3 of us, each using the tools that were available in the market at that time, and each with their own frustrations or could visualise the limitations of those tools. And that's what led to the start of today's plan.
So I've been with Seeing Machines for the last 20 years or so. I started as a university graduate back in the year 2000. Back then there were only 7 of us in the company, the 4 founders and 3 engineering graduates.
So we started our exporting journey roughly 10 years ago. We would argue that we're the market leader in driver monitoring technology. The results of the early ideas see us now operate in 24 countries and dealing with the world's biggest players in transport.
The way we've been able to network with other businesses and hearing how they've solved problems has been really, really useful. And I would urge any startup business to really embrace the network here in Canberra.
We have our main development centre here in Canberra, but that's then a hub with spokes with multiple offices around the world, all communicating and collaborating together and spending as much time as we can together to work and penetrate all the different markets that we're trying to get into.
We have a very, very tight team here in Canberra, and there's a lot of assistance in Canberra. So for the type of people we want to attract into our business, Canberra represents not just a job, but a life change that is of high quality.
The thing that always strikes me about Canberra is how vibrant it is. I think this is a great place to raise a family. I just can't think of a better place in Australia that has this combination of the outdoors lifestyle, great work opportunities, great educational opportunities, and of course a massive range of restaurants and coffee shops here, which is close to my heart.
My kids are in some great schools, we live in a great neighbourhood. I think it's a no-brainer that I will stay in Canberra.
Having access to a skilled workforce is very, very important to us. A business either makes it or fails on the quality of the staff and the team you're able to build. And so having well-educated, smart people who are offering into the outdoor lifestyle and cycling and endurance sports has really been a big bonus for us.
I joined Seeing Machines because I was really excited about the technology. I thought it was amazing back then. But since then, fast forward 20 years, multiple quantum leaps. It just blows my mind where the technology is at today compared to back then.
Our technology is embedded in an array of machines, in an array of segments, and it has delivered a demonstrable reduction in fatality and a demonstrable improvement in safety around the world.
We pitched ourselves at aiming for the tip of the spear, or the top part of the pyramid, working with those elite athletes and coaches, meanwhile making those tools available further down the pyramid to every man and every woman. From a little tech startup here in Canberra, exporting to the biggest names in cycling and sport is just tremendously exciting and makes us very proud as a team.
The trajectory from here is upwards, and no 2 ways about it. Our technology is going to find our way into more and more cars around the world.
One of the better pathways to growth, to manage the inherent risks, is by collaborating. Don't be afraid to collaborate, and you really don't need to go it alone. Whether you're taking advice, you're taking mentorship, or you're actually partnering, collaboration I think is central to global success.
Starting a business and building it is tough, it's challenging, but ultimately if you've got a good product, if you're building a good team of people, the rewards come. They never come quite as quickly as you hope. So, stick at it. That's my advice. Stick at it. You just got to be dogged and determined and really keep focused on the end game. Just focus, focus, focus.